to another video. And as y'all can see, I just dropped my daughter off to school. It's way too early for me. But she gotta go to school. But as y'all can see by the title and the video, I am gonna be getting my Wicker bill installed. I'm gonna do it myself. Right now, like I said, I'll just drop my daughter off to school. Later, I'm gonna get my hair cut. And it says my Wicker bill should be coming today. Now, I don't know if I'll install it today. I might get back to you guys tomorrow, more than likely, because y'all know how the deliveries be. They say they gonna deliver it at a certain time, and then it comes later, yada, yada. That Mustang. That show be Mustang. But, I guess I'll hit you back up once I go get my hair cut. Oh, and I gotta go to Best Buy. I gotta get a new monitor. I don't know how. Put my monitor away. I was moving stuff around, cleaning. And the corner of my monitor ended up being cracked. Now the screen is messed up. But it is what it is. Can't let little stuff like that get to you. I'm just gonna have to go get another monitor. I'm probably gonna get a curved Samsung monitor. But I'll see y'all when I do all that stuff. All right, y'all, as y'all can tell, I got my little cut and everything. Man, I feel like I sound sick right now. I probably still got a little bit left over, but I don't know. I'm tired. So right now we at Best Buy. We'll go ahead, look for that little monitor thing. And then we're gonna go home. Then we'll see if the Wicker bill wing had came in. Man, this shit's so hard. I need a gaming monitor like this, man. This shit hard. Alright, y'all. Got my little Samsung curved monitor. I ain't need nothing special. But I needed a new one right away after the other one broke. So yeah, let's head home. Damn. Alright, let's head home. We're gonna see if my Wicker bill wing that came in. Oh, I see a Charlie. See a Charlie? Go ahead, start this shit. I'm see y'all in a sec. Or later. I don't know. Alright, y'all, I got everything I need. There goes the Wicker bill. I got my rib nut gun, my 3/8" drill bit. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out, y'all. I'm by myself, so let me see if I can get it. Alright, y'all, I did the first one. Man, I ain't gonna lie, this shit is scary. I tried to line it up as good as I could. It might be a little off in the middle of the camera, but it's okay. Who's gonna notice? I made my little markings inside there. I don't know if you can see that. Use the marker. I'm gonna drill the rest of these in. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. Y'all, so we got all the little rivets in along the whole wing. See if I messed it up or not. I'm gonna go ahead and put the screws in, see how it look. Alright, y'all, it's the next day and everything, bro. I completed this shit all the way, bro. This shit look fire. I ain't gonna lie to you. I mean, low-key, I wish my original spoiler was black. But man, I think this shit look decent. I ain't gonna lie. I already got some people, I had some people, or whatever. There's a woman staring at me in the Jeep, but it's whatever. But here y'all go, man. This shit look fire. Bro, when I tell you, drilling this shit in was so fucking scary, bro. That shit was scary, but as y'all can see, that shit's sturdy on there. That shit's sturdy on there. Creaking a little bit because I'm touching on it. Oh, man. That shit fire. Bro, tell me what. I drilled this one. Y'all can see, I need to wash my car. I still got a little bit of that stuff in there. Man, when I drilled this one, bro, some water started coming out and everything. I don't know why. I don't know why the hell some water was coming out. But it was cool. Type shit. Yeah, see, we need more black accents. We got that. We got the little diffuser back here. If y'all ain't even see it yet, you know what I'm saying? Look out. And then we got the front lip on there. You know, I'm trying to do a gloss black thing. I still got to get the little thing right there that says smoky that lights up, change colors and all that. And I got to redo my headlights, bro. Bro, I always had compliments on them headlights, bro. And I want to put a little fender thing that goes on the door right here. I need a what's it called? The handle's black. It's like a little vinyl wrap I can put on there. Damn, my shit dirty. But That shit a little hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Man. Let me get in the car, bro. It is hot as hell. But yo, that's the end of this video. I will be leaving the link to the wing in the description, or if y'all want to, you just go to Z01. What's it? Z01addons.com? I think that's the name. If not, y'all could just look in the description and you'll see the link to it. Look, ooh, I got the light skin light going for me right now. How about? Look at my ojos, my eyes.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
It's like, nah, but once again, y'all, thanks for watching. Make sure y'all to like. See, I'm following my words. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.